Get in the ice, Kaiser.
No. Oh, Nelly's got box. Nelly's got funny body.
Kira! What are you doing?
Kira, you're going to fall in.
Listen to it crackling as she's walking on it.
She'll manage to get in the middle and just go straight in.
You got some ice, Kaiser?
Is that nice, Kaiser? Oh, yummy, he says. Jack! Ice cubes.
Get some ice. Get the ice. That's it. Good boy. Get the ice.
Mika!
Get the ice.
She said, never say hi to anybody.
I didn't get it from the lake, I got it from a little hole in the ground.
Alright, darling. Come on, Jay!